What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process of validating Bitcoin transactions and creating new Bitcoins by solving complex math problems with a powerful computer. This all starts with a miner finding a block. A block represents a batch of Bitcoin transactions. Finding a block involves checking the vast number of possibilities until a number is found that meets the requirements according to the Bitcoin core rules. When this happens, the miner adds the block to the chain and is rewarded with a block subsidy plus transaction fees. The block subsidy is an amount of Bitcoin that decreases every 4 years. This is to enforce the hard cap of 21 million Bitcoins. Think of Bitcoin mining as a network of computers competing in a mathematical lottery to add a block. Miners play a key role in supply issuance, transaction verification, and network security. To learn more about Bitcoin mining, visit simplemining.io.